Now I'll teach you how to check the reports. Here in Reports, you'll be able to see reports for your team. So you can see a payroll report, select your team member's name, a period, and generate the report. Here you will see all their information and their punches. You can also enable other items in the columns and download the report in CSV, PDF, or in an Excel sheet. You can also see other reports like summary report for all your team members. Select all employees, generate. Then you can see all their information at once. You can also enable other items in the columns and export the report. Another very important report is the Hours Bank report. Here you can select all your employees or just one employee, generate the report, and see the worked hours, the cumulative hours bank, and the missing hours. Here you can enable the phases in the columns and download the report. In this report, it's very important to see if your team member has a lot of negative hours or a lot of positive hours.